valves have to have proper lash so that they don't hang a valve open. So what you do, the way I do it, there's many different ways of doing it. I roll the motor over, do it each individual cylinder, and if you watch the screwdriver, and watch that intake valve, the intake valve's open. When it gets closed, the piston will be close to the top of that center, and you'll see the screwdriver come up, and then it dwells out. And
Did I distract you?
when the piston's at TDC, which it is, then you can adjust both the intake and exhaust valve on that side. That's what we do. What I do is I adjust them in 18 cold. Will work out to 24 thousandths when it's hot. So I don't have to take the valve covers back off and readjust nothing after the warm up. And then the next thing is, hang on a second, I'll show you. So when you check it with a feeler gauge, everybody thinks you just go in and out with the feeler gauge. I go side to side because it's easy to roll through a roller. So see how that's a roller? See in there? So I go side to side and I make them tight 24.